Hey, it's Murphy from Bariloche, the Swiss region of Argentina, or Swiss region of South America. Yeah, maybe. Today we're going to do about 27-kilometer loop just to the west of town. Should get some lakes, some mountains. Should be very scenic. So let's get on the road. Right. Here we go. Green Jesus. Huh. First stop along the route. Found a little lookout point. Let's go check it out. Lake Nahuel Huapi. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm starting to see why Switzerland of South America. All right, you got me. Fox. A cemetery? Just off the road saw a sign for a cemetery, so obviously I'm going to check that out. How many times do you come across a cemetery up in the Andes Mountains in Patagonia? All right, let's hope nobody takes that. Let's check out this cemetery. These are more recent than I expected. 87, 89. Good place to lay, Pedro. So many of the people in this cemetery have interesting notes on their stones, tombstones. This is for Jose Moreno, Adventurer Eternal. I hope I get that. That was a great stop. Better than I thought it would be. No one stole the bike, so that's good. Now we keep going around the loop. This loop is surprisingly busy, and there's not really a place to ride a bike on the side of the road. I mean, you can. It's a little rocky, dirt, gravel, maybe a little slippy, but the problem is there's buses that are on this road pretty often. You got to share with a lot of different, lots of traffic. But man, there are some incredible views on this loop. Something they don't mention in the brochures, and really they should, you get to breathe pure pine air while you're up here. Another stop along the route, got some pretty good views. Also, I was able to find that elusive Patagonian lager. Well, that was a fun adventure. Nice to have a beer. Got to be moving on because it's not like you can just sit around and drink beer all day. Yeah. Let's go check out this beach. Just returned the bike, 24 kilometers, about 5.5 hours, a couple of stops. Didn't make it longer because, as you can see, this road stays pretty busy. And this is a pretty good look at what you have here. So riding on the edge is where you kind of want to be, but often I had to find myself getting over into this like rocky gravel area, which is fine. I have the balance for that, but it's still just, it doesn't feel good, and you're constantly listening to make sure there's nothing behind you. Still a great ride, still highly recommend. So many great views, so many views of the lakes and the mountains. Oh, just be careful. If they offer a vest, make sure you take the vest, reflective. And if they do not offer, ask for one. Just that way that you can make sure that you're visible with all this traffic. Here's one of the bad ones, especially when these buses come by. It's no joke. They give you a little extra breeze. Not always in the direction you're asking for.